Just a quick update video today on what I'm going to call Project Skidmark, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to need new pants after the first time I take this thing for a spin. This is the wheelchair accessible skid steer project I've been working on for quite a while. Put a link, a little card up above to some of the design videos on it. It's up on wheels. Still has a long ways to go, but got up on wheels, started mocking up where the hydraulic tank's going to fit and where the engine's going to go. That's a what's it called? It's a Yamaha Venture Royale motorcycle engine. Gonna run a pair of hydraulic pumps to run the hydrostatic pumps to run the wheel motors. One pump will run each side, and then another pump for the forks and bucket. And then I'll probably add a fourth pump that'll run auxiliary hydraulics for things like posthole diggers and stuff down the line. But it's starting to look like a real machine. Starting to look a little scary. I'll see if I can give you a little closer tour. We're looking at it from behind here. You can see the back of the frame here, and then up the side, and then I'll bring you up in here close. There's a couple of steel straps across there right now. Those are just keep things square while we were welding it. Once those come out, you can see I'll be able to back in the pillow bearing over there, which is what the floor, which will double as a ramp, what that'll pivot on. And got to cut off the back of the motorcycle frame here once it's mounted. Like I say, still working out some of those details. Right now it's just sitting on some wheels and tires I picked up from an auction for like 20 bucks. Just something cheap to roll it around on. Once I get it up and running, I'll probably upgrade to something a lot more serious than that. But yeah, it's coming along. It's gonna run a 66-inch bucket, so it's wide, but not ridiculously wide for a skid steer. Even with these wheels and tires, let me roll back around this side. It's got a fair bit of ground clearance. It's probably got about 7 or 8 inches on it right now. Yeah, probably about 7 or 8. So it's okay. Put a little bit bigger tires on there, and I'll be able to get up even higher. Like I said, it's a monster of a motor. It's like a 95 horsepower motor. So I should have all the power I need to run all the hydraulics. Gotta build a roll cage that'll also add some stiffness to it, and put in the floor yet. Gotta obviously mount the motor. It's just hanging off the cherry picker right now. And gotta run all the hydraulic lines, and then mount the hydraulic pumps, and then figure out all the controls. So this project is far, far, far from complete, but Project Skidmark lives. It should be done yet this summer for sure. And if all the calculations are right, it should run about 22 miles an hour, and be able to dig dirt, lift heavy things, be actually pretty balanced once I'm in the machine. And the bucket's on the front with a little bit of dirt in it. But without the bucket on the front, I think it's going to be a wheelie popping monster. But yeah, it should be a fun project to finish up. And hope you guys stay tuned and keep watching for more Project Skidmark updates. Thanks for watching.